Helping our clients crush their goals is a completely fulfilling thing, right? And so today I'm going to talk to you about how we approach this inside the advanced conversational hypnosis world. So, for example, a client comes to us because they want to improve or on something, they have a goal. And say that goal is exercising 3 to 5 times per day. And so inside our ACH sessions, we really start with, what's the problem or what is it you want to work on? And our clients tell us, they say, I want to exercise 3 to 5 times per week consistently every week. And so then our conversation starts from there. And really there's no really set framework because every client is different, right? We always just start with what's the problem or goal, and then based on our client's responses, that's how we formulate the next question moving forward. And really, to take a step back, our role in how we can truly help our clients to crush their goal is to, first of all, listen. And second, we know as humans that if we really put our mind to it, we can achieve anything, right? We are all naturally capable of getting and achieving the goals that we set out to do. But there's not in our minds, in our thinking, in our physiology sometimes that prevents us from achieving them. I like to think of it as a pipe, right? If we have a huge pipe here, we are here and we want to be here, or our clients are here and they want to be in here. Right now, that pipe is so full of clogged up debris that is stopping them from fully going through from water to go through that pipe effortlessly. That's what's happening within our clients when they see a goal and they cannot achieve it yet, or are having it's too difficult for them to get to that goal. There's so much debris. And so in our client sessions, that's what we really need to be doing to help our clients, right? To help them clear that debris, whether that be sometimes it's just really not in their thinking. They haven't really seen a different perspective yet. And it could be maybe there's something going on with their health that they need to address first, and then naturally they can start exercising. We don't really know that until we get in our sessions, right? And so this is what we not do. We read our clients' initial intake form and assume that these are the questions we're going to ask, or assume that this is the script, the exercise script, that you love exercise script that we are going to give them, because that may not even match what the client actually needs. So why waste our time doing that? And so just by, like I said earlier, asking the question, waiting for the response, based on that response, asking the question again, this is how we truly help our clients to crush their goals.